Welcome to Belly Breath, to this transformative meditation designed to help you align with the highest energies of love, abundance, and peace. As you settle into this sacred space, you'll be guided through visualizations that will elevate your vibrational frequency and connect you deeply with the limitless potential within and around you. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and let's begin this journey together. Imagine yourself as a radiant beam of light, glowing with warmth and vitality. As you breathe in deeply, feel this light growing brighter, illuminating your entire being. As the great spiritual teacher Rumi once said, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." Let the light within you shine brighter with each breath, dissolving any darkness or tension. Now, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. As you exhale, imagine releasing all tension, stress, and negativity. Let go of anything that does not serve your highest good. With your next inhale, feel the energy of the earth rising up to meet you, grounding you, and providing a stable foundation. Exhale and feel this grounding energy flowing through your body, connecting you to the strength and stability of the earth. Picture yourself walking down a beautiful path surrounded by nature. The sun is shining gently on your face, and you can hear the peaceful sounds of birds singing and leaves rustling in the breeze. As you walk, you notice the path begins to glow with a golden light, representing the abundance that is waiting for you. Feel the energy of abundance flowing towards you like a gentle river of gold. As you breathe in, imagine this golden energy filling your entire body, making you feel light, expansive, and open to receiving all the blessings that the universe has to offer. Say to yourself, "I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. I trust that the universe is always providing for me." Now, shift your focus to the center of your chest, where your heart chakra is located. Visualize a soft pink light beginning to glow in this area, representing unconditional love. Feel this light expanding with each breath, enveloping your entire being in warmth and compassion. As Thich Nhat Hanh said, love is the energy of life. Allow this energy to flow freely within you, healing any wounds, dissolving any fears, and filling you with a deep sense of peace and contentment. Repeat silently, I am love, I am worthy of love, I radiate love to all beings. Imagine yourself standing by a serene lake. The water is calm, reflecting the clear blue sky above. Feel the tranquility of this scene and let it wash over you. As you breathe, allow the calmness of the lake to mirror within you, bringing a deep sense of peace to your mind, body, and soul. Mahatma Gandhi said, each one has to find his peace from within. Let this meditation be a moment where you connect with your inner peace, allowing it to guide you throughout your day. Finally, visualize a bright, golden sun shining above you, radiating warmth and joy. Feel its rays touching your skin, filling you with a sense of happiness and well-being. Allow yourself to smile, knowing that this joy is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. As you end this meditation, carry this joy with you, letting it uplift your spirit and inspire others around you. As you bring this meditation to a close, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your physical body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, energized, and aligned with the highest vibrations. If you found this meditation helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel, Belly Breath, for more guided meditations like this. Your support helps us continue creating content that uplifts and inspires. Thank you for joining Belly Breath today. May you carry this peace and light with you throughout your day.